Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street from thetradersperspective.com analyzing crude oil. Today is March 27, 2017. I did a analysis over the weekend here for crude, basically indicating that prices were going to be pinned between $47 and $48. This purple line right here is the 200 moving average, so the simple period moving average to be specific. And here I have one of my moving averages. It's an exponential moving average. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is, but it is used commonly as a support or a resistance depending upon where it happens to fall. So if price is below, then resistance will be had at this level. If price was to be above, then it would act as a level of support or area to watch for support. Anyway, so looking at this price action here, we can see that oil has tested this $47 level, looks like roughly 4 times now, and it's been refusing to go lower. So what are we looking at from here? We're kind of going to be looking at a little bit of sideways action. I would imagine that we're going to try to push and penetrate above this $48.70 mark. And if we can see oil prices bounce a little bit, I don't really see it going too much higher. Honestly, we could see it fizzle out right here at 49.5, or do an extension and possibly touch 50 or even 50 and a quarter, right where this trend line is. This right here, this line was the previous uptrend line on the weekly chart, so it was holding true for quite some time, and eventually the bulls just couldn't maintain it. Now we're in this little sideways action here, and I'm thinking that if we can possibly see some price appreciation here, get above and start to trend a little bit higher and build stability at the 49 level, oil might possibly make another jump here. But again, we're looking at a lot of resistance on the way up here. Not to say that it can't happen and oil, possibly go higher. But what I am saying is that there's a lot of resistance here. So if you're looking to make a trade here and try to take advantage of this area, it's going to be a little bit difficult. So you'd be looking at a very small area, and you'd be really risking a lot more than probably your reward would be. So as far as myself, I would not be looking to take a position anywhere in here. I would rather see my buy signal get confirmed, such as back here when my moving average crossed over and went up above here. Here I had a sell signal, so I'm gonna wait and see what happens here. Prices will probably stabilize in this area a little bit. I would imagine that there'd be some level of bounce, but I'm gonna wait for this green line to cross over this gold line and see exactly how long that takes. But in the meantime, this is a no trade for me. If you do trade this, good luck. Make sure you set your stop losses and use all the applicable risk tools that you have. I'm on Wall Street. This has been another presentation by thetradersperspective.com. If you have any type of requests for charts or symbols, please comment below. Visit the website if you have any additional questions. I'd be more than happy to help you out any way I can. Have a wonderful evening. Thanks again for stopping by.